Welcome to Z Pro Studio.
Did you know that small businesses are frequent targets of cyber attacks? Many owners believe hackers only go after large companies, but that's not true. In this video, you'll learn the essential cybersecurity solutions every small business should have to protect its data, employees, and customers. Small businesses often have limited security resources, making them attractive targets for cyber criminals. A successful attack can lead to financial losses, operational downtime, damaged customer trust, and lost business opportunities. Fortunately, many effective security measures are affordable and easy to implement. Some of the biggest threats facing small businesses include phishing emails, weak or reused passwords, ransomware attacks, malware infections, data breaches, unauthorized account access. Understanding these risks is the first step toward protecting your business. Every small business should consider implementing multi-factor authentication for important accounts, strong, unique passwords managed with a password manager, endpoint protection for computers and mobile devices, regular software and operating system updates, secure, automated data backups. These measures create multiple layers of protection. Technology alone isn't enough. Employees should learn how to recognize phishing emails, avoid suspicious links, create strong passwords, and report unusual activity immediately. Regular awareness training can greatly reduce the risk of human error. Protect your office Wi-Fi with strong passwords and modern encryption. Keep routers updated, separate guest Wi-Fi from your business network, and restrict access to sensitive systems based on employee roles. These steps help reduce unnecessary security risks. No security system is perfect. Create a simple response plan that explains what to do if an attack happens. Know how to disconnect affected devices, restore data from backups, change compromised passwords, and contact the appropriate support if needed. Being prepared helps reduce downtime. Avoid using the same password across multiple accounts. Don't ignore software updates. Never assume your business is too small to be targeted. Skipping employee training or failing to back up important data can make recovering from an attack much more difficult. Before finishing this video, make sure your business has multi-factor authentication enabled, strong passwords, regular backups, updated devices, employee cybersecurity awareness, a basic incident response plan. Completing these steps will significantly improve your security. Cybersecurity isn't just for large companies. Every small business can improve its security by following a few essential best practices. Start with strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, regular backups, and employee training to build a safer business environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Z Pro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.